Hi everybody, welcome back to Louise Street Studio. I wanted to introduce you to the new journal. This is Botanical Garden Boho journal. It is a beautiful 5.5 inch by 9 inch journal with a 3.5 inch spine. It has a lot of stuff in it. It's over 150 pages. It has a removable folio in it. And it has a ton of trims and bangles and beads, and it is just beautiful. I hope you enjoy this flip through. So the cover has two pockets which have two very large tags. That's the front one, and here's the back. And let's go ahead and have a little flip through. So it is got a fabric cover, lace pockets. The inside has some sari lace trims. There is a couple of tags. Here is the folio. It has an area to be able to remove the journal. So you can put any journal in this folio. It has a couple of pockets. And then here is the start of the signatures. There's 150-ish pages. I've used a paper pack, and then I've used the beautiful digital from Adamo Prints on Etsy. It's the Botanical Garden journal kit. I just love how this kit works with this journal. I like to leave most of my journals blank for people to fill up as they wish. This is a coffee stained, and this is dyed paper. Here's some mulberry paper. Here's some jelly prints that I did. Here's some more of that digital. Doily. This pink paper is made out of dyed avocado seeds. Laminated butterfly wing. Some more of my jelly prints. Mulberry paper. Look at this digital. It's just so pretty. Coffee dyed. Ledger paper. And some plant identification paper, some more mulberry paper. This is a cool little envelope with a magnet on it. So pretty. Very paper. Little pockets. And these are the extra little cards that will come in the goodie pack. All of my journals are homemade and made one by me. I add in a nice large goodie pack of papers and little things so you can decorate this journal on your own. Here is one of my sari patchworks that I do, and I make different things with them, but I love to put them in the journals. And so my goodie packs come with all kinds of papers and stickers and transfers and beads and little paper clips and all kinds of different things that will give you the option to be able to make this journal your very personal journal. You can use this journal as field notes for your garden, as identification, memories. I love to see these journals filled up when my guests buy them, and then they fill it up so big that it's a huge gator mouth. It just makes me so happy. And then here's the back pocket. Isn't that a beautiful digital? And so this is the Botanical Gardens journal. And I really hope you enjoyed this flip through. It's going to be available on my Etsy shop. I'm on YouTube and Instagram. And I would hope that you would like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. If you're interested in watching me do some how-tos, let me know. So thanks and have a great afternoon.